Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Castaway Jonesy from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his hairline with curve line across to the left at that corner. Turn it diagonally downwards to the left. Turn it outwards to the left at the lower point. Sharp turn upwards with the curve line at the outer corner. And below that whole thing, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards at that point. Turn it out to the left and turn it downwards. Sharp turn back upwards on the left corner. Turn it diagonally across to the right and slightly up. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the right and turn it upwards. Semi-turn diagonally across to the right. Semi-turn downwards with a curve line at that corner. On the right side of that, a diagonal curve line downwards to the right at that corner. From the ending point of his hairline on the right, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the right at that corner. Semi-turn downwards and slightly to the right. And from that same point, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across and slightly upwards to the right, semi-turn downwards, curl it outwards to the right at the lower point, semi-turn downwards and flare it out to the right, turn it downwards, sharp turn upwards on the right corner, turn it diagonally in and flare it back out, turn it upwards and slightly to the left, turn it upwards, semi-turn across to the left and slightly downwards. Now inside of his face, I'm going to draw his eyebrow in the middle point, off center to the right, a short line downwards at that corner, across to the right and slightly up, semi-turn across to the right. Repeat that same set of curve line again for the upper line of the eyebrow. And below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw his eye from the inner corner, a short line upwards, across to the right, turn it downwards. For the lower line of the eye, I'm going to draw from the inner corner, a curve line across to the right at that point. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw a small circular shape in the middle point. I'm going to mirror the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the left side of his face. In the inner corner of his eye, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on both the left and right. Now below that whole thing, I'm going to draw the tip of his nose with a U curve line across. Turn it diagonally across and out on both sides of the nose. Curve line upwards at the corner of his nose. Below the nose, on the right corner, I'm going to draw his mustache with curve line downwards and flared slightly out. Zigzag line across for the top of his beard all the way to the side of his face. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left corner. Turn it upwards on the left corner right there. Now below his nose, I'm going to draw the lower part of his mustache with zigzag lines across at that corner. Turn it downwards and out to the outer corner on both sides. Sharp turn inwards and downwards to the middle of his mouth. Zigzag line across from the left ending point to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line across for his mouth. On the left side of his face, I'm going to draw a line downwards below the hair, right there. Flare it out with a short line. Curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally in to the right. Curl it outwards to the left and sharp turn back to the right with a curved line. Curved line downwards and slightly to the right. Sharp turn diagonally up to the right, curve line downwards and curl it to the right, sharp turn upwards with curve line back down and curl it to the left, sharp turn diagonally up to the right, curve line downwards and curl it to the right, curve line upwards, curve line out to the right and sharp turn upwards, curve line diagonally out to the right and curve line upwards at that corner. And below his beard on the left, I'm going to draw his neck with curve line diagonally down to the left, and on the right side I'm going to draw a curve line downwards for the right side of his neck. From that ending point, diagonal curve line downwards to the middle of his neck, and I'm going to do the same thing on the left corner. In the middle point right there, I'm going to draw an arch curve line, a line downwards on both ending points of the arch curve line, and mirror that arch curve line at this lower point. On the left side of that, curve line outwards to the left diagonally down, sharp turn across to the right, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally upwards to the right. On the right side, I'm going to draw a curve line out at that corner, semi-turn downwards, turn it diagonally down to the left, sharp turn upwards with curve line. On the right side of that, curve line diagonally down to the right, sharp turn diagonally up to the left, sharp turn diagonally down to the left and turn it back up. At the side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw a small arch curve line at this upper corner and another arch curve line to the left side of that. Turn it downwards and slightly to the right, turn it across to the right, and inside of that shape, I'm going to draw on the right corner a curve line diagonally across at this upper corner and curve line across below that. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side. At the outer corner of that, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally down to the left, sideways to the left and semicircular turn diagonally down. At that ending point, I'm going to continue the line of his arms diagonally down to the left, flare it out on his elbow point and semicircular turn diagonally down to the right. Curve line diagonally down to the right at that corner, and at the side of his palm I'm going to turn it downwards, semicircular turn sideways to the right. For the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw from the lower point of his shoulder, curve line diagonally across to the left and slightly down, and on his elbow point another diagonal curve line across to the right and slightly downwards, curve line across to the right and slightly up, semicircular turn downwards. Below that, a short line across at that corner. At the inner corner of his arm, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner, semicircular turn downwards diagonally to the right. Below that set of line from the arm, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the right, semicircular turn downwards with a curve line, turn it diagonally inwards to the right, and curve line downwards at that corner. Below that ending point, slightly to the left, I'm going to draw an arch curve line to the right, curve line across to the right, arch it slightly upwards and across to the right, curve line across, turn it diagonally down to the right, sharp turn downwards and slightly to the left at that corner. At the ending point on the left, curve line downwards and slightly to the right. Below that, I'm going to draw the rope across his waist with curve line to the middle, and in the middle point I'm going to draw a small arch curve line, and from the side of that arch curve line, diagonal line downwards to the right on both ending points, U curve line across from the right to the left. On the right side of that shape, I'm going to draw another similar arch curve line, turn it downwards on the right side. Continue the line of the rope across to the right, and below that whole thing I'm going to repeat the same set of curve line across again for the lower line of the rope, and at the ending point of the rope on the left I'm going to draw a curve line downwards to the ending point below, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. In the middle point of the rope I'm going to draw a curve line downwards at that corner, and another similar line on the right side of that. A line across at the ending point below. Mirror that same set of shape on the right corner and shorter right there. Now for the right side of his body, I'm gonna mirror the whole thing similar to the left arm. Now below the rope on the left, curve line downwards and flare it slightly out to the left, turn it downwards, sharp turn diagonally up to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right, sharp turn diagonally up to the right, diagonal line downwards to the right at that corner, turn it back upwards diagonally to the right, sharp turn diagonally down to the right, and turn it upwards at the inner corner of his short, slightly to the right, curve line across to the right at that corner. For the right side of the short, curve line downwards and slightly to the right, extend it further downwards, a short line across to the right, turn it up and turn it diagonally up to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right, sharp turn diagonally up to the right, curve line diagonally down to the right at that corner, turn it back upwards, a short line across to the right, and curve line upwards diagonally to the waist at that corner. On the right side of his short, I'm going to draw a tilted rectangular shape at this lower point. And at all sides of the rectangular shape, I'm going to draw short lines across, like that. And below the shorts, I'm going to draw his legs on the right with curve line downwards at the inner corner, flare it out diagonally downwards to the left, turn it back inwards to his ankle point. On his ankle point, flare it out to the left and downwards, semicircle turn to the right at the lower point. For the outer line of the leg, below the short, curve line downwards, turn it diagonally inwards to the left. Below the knee point, another curve line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it inwards to his ankle point. Semicircle turn diagonally out to the right and downwards. Extend it out to the right and semicircle turn to the left. And on the left side of that ending point, slightly above, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across to the right, semicircle turn down and turn it to the left. Repeat that same set of shape again and slightly bigger. Extend it across to the left, flare it downwards and turn it back diagonally upwards in the middle of his foot. Now for his left leg, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally down at the inner corner on the right, diagonally to the left, semicircle turn inwards to the left at the side of his knee right there, and below his knee, another curved line downwards, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards to his ankle point, flare it back out to the ankle point, slightly to the right and turn it downwards. Curve line diagonally down to the right and downwards, turn it downwards at that corner, semicircle turn to the left, turn it slightly up and on the left side of that, slightly above, a short line downwards, semicircle turn to the left and slightly up. Repeat that same set of line again 3 more times across to the left. And at the side of the foot, turn it upwards, flare it slightly out at the side of the ankle and upwards, turn it back inwards diagonally to the right, curve line upwards at that corner, Turn diagonally up to the right, and above the knee, curve line diagonally up to his short. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!